Myself, Dr. Sandeep Moal, PhD in Marketing Research. I am basically from Hisar, and we are living here in Gurgaon from last 5 years.
I'm Dr. Archana. I'm PhD in Human Resource Management. We both were assistant professors turned entrepreneurs. We own a restaurant named Mamosha. He's a son, Vardhan.
Earlier, we have invested in many kind of properties, plots, and other flats, but those were just only investments. But this time, I think this is the final home for us.
Yeah, it clicked. So basically, it felt like home. Moreover, the amenities and everything was crystal clear. I guess this was like a home.
सीरियसली एक्चुअली देखते ही पसंद आ गया था इनको, ये तो आए और कर दिया ऐसा करके, इसमें सोचा ही नहीं था। बाकी जगह बहुत टफ कॉल्स थी। दिस प्रोजेक्ट एक्चुअली वी लाइक्ड इट इन आवर फर्स्ट शॉट। वी जस्ट विजिटेड दिस साइट एंड not even a single flaw we found in that, not in the parking, not in the front area. So design was very nice, and I can still see the prototype in front of me.
It's perfect for a family home. The amenities like infinity pool, gym, we don't have to leave the building exactly for accessing all those facilities and everything. It's just available right there. You just go to the rooftop. I mean,
Right.
It's easy life.
We chose it, I think, within 30 minutes. It was an easy
Yeah, the
choice for us.
decision initially, the decision was like we'll make investments on it, but then looking at the brochure and everything, we finally decided no, we have to buy this one.
Yeah.
This is for us.
So we are living here for last 5 years. We have invested in this area in business also, but this property has given me a sense of security, and Vardhan can also enjoy his life in this particular arena, because we don't have to leave the building for any kind of facility, and the nearby area and the connectivity with the airport and everything is first class. So if I talk about the professionalism, Mr. Rohit explained me every basic detail of the complete project, and the real final point for me was we need to pay only after 15 months. And the brochure, when I read that, they have pointed out every little thing in that. So that was the closing point for us. We are not worried about any kind of earlier payment. So that was enough for us to trust this project.
For me, it was basically the trust factor. So bharosa जिसे कहते हैं. So I was totally in it. I would say it clicked for me. Everything was clear, including the payment plans, including the availability of amenities and everything. Everything was clear. So trust is the major factor, I would say. I would personally highly recommend this to all my family and friends. अगर गुड़गांव में आपको एक फैमिली जैसा कोई घर चाहिए, कोई एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए, where you are not worried about your family anymore, not worried about the construction, not worried about you can rely on these builders.
Exactly. 100% I would say.
इम्पीरियम में घर होगा, अब सपना सच होगा।